Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotoka. I'm Ryusei. This is my second food culture journey. Food culture journey is one of my challenge. In this challenge, I'll make other countries' dishes and learn about the country and give a short presentation. I'm sure that understanding other countries' culture leads the world to peaceful. I will give a short presentation at the end of this video. I hope you to watch it and give me your opinion. I may make mistakes or I might misunderstand, but I respect for Thailand as a one Japanese person. Okay, today I'll introduce Pad Gaprao. In Japan, Pad Gaprao is called Gapao rice. Gapao rice is a very popular food. And in my survey, Pad means stir fry and Gaprao means holy basil. So Pad Gaprao means holy basil stir fry. But today I couldn't prepare holy basil, so I used sweet basil instead of it. The way of Pad Gaprao is very simple and the taste is so good. If you like basil, I really recommend Pad Gaprao. And then I tried kai dao. Kai dao is deep fried egg, and kai dao is the best with the spicy taste of Pad Gaprao. I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, let's make it. First, I'm going to cut these vegetables. Green bell pepper. I cut it into half and remove the seed and spongy part. Then I cut it into strips like this. Okay. Next, red bell pepper. Of course, you can use yellow bell pepper instead of it. I divide it into half and cut it into strips as well. Okay, next I'll cut green chili. If you like spicy taste, please add more chilies. I remove the top and chop it finely. Good. Okay. Next, garlic. I'm going to mince it. I make it finely cut and cut it horizontally. Like this. And I chop it finely. Good. And I transfer the garlic to same container of chili. Nice. Okay. This is basil. I love the flavor of basil, so I'll use a lot of it. I separate leaves and stems. Nice. Very fresh and amazing fragrance. And then seasonings. 20 grams of fish sauce and 5 grams of sugar. At last, 5 grams of soy sauce, koikuchi. Today, I use sweet brown fish sauce. And then, I prepare an egg for kai dao. I separate white and yolk to make nice runny deep fried egg. Okay, then I'm going to stir fry them. I turn on the heat and I add salt oil and spread it. Once the pan is heated, I add 300 grams of ground chicken. This part of ground chicken is Thai. I break it down, but I don't make it very finely. I keep the chicken a little bit big chunks, which are good juicy texture. Okay, the level of fire is medium high. I stir fry the chicken until it's cooked. A few minutes later, the chicken has cooked and the smell is so nice. I turn down the heat to low and I transfer the chicken to the far side. Then I add chili and garlic to this vacant space. Okay, and I pour olive oil over them. And cook chili and garlic until they emit nice smell. It is very important. Okay, the smell is amazing. Then I mix them and stir fry them to brown. Okay, I add 20 grams of water, 20 grams of fish sauce, and 5 grams of sugar. At last, 5 grams of soy sauce. And mix them. I distribute the seasonings to all. Okay, then I add green and red bell peppers. I'd like to make bell peppers nice crunchy texture, so I cook them quickly. Nice. I stir-fry them until bell peppers are cooked. Okay, finally I add a lot of basil. So beautiful and the smell is amazing. Okay, turn off the heat. Perfect. Then I'm going to make kai dao. I put a lot of salt oil into the pan and turn on the heat. I check the temperature like this. Good sound. Then I add white. The bubbles appear and I break them. I cook it the edges until browned. Okay, I add the yolk in the center. Perfect. And then I put the oil over the yolk. The surface became white. Okay, I remove the egg. Looks so good. Finally, I arrange them on a plate. I place the rice. And I arrange Pad Gaprao. Beautiful. Okay. And then I place kai dao. Finally, I decorate fresh basil. Done. Pad Gaprao and kai dao are very beautiful and so tasty. Please try it. Thank you. Did you enjoy? I think native people don't use soy sauce, but I'm sure soy sauce goes well with Pad Gaprao. In the future, I'd like to try the original Pad Gaprao in Thailand. Please give me one moment and let me give a short presentation. I made a map of Thailand. As you know, Thailand is in East Asia. In Thailand, there are traditional and beautiful cities, temples, and buildings. And Thailand is next to Myanmar, Laos, and Malaysia. Thailand is long vertically and the capital is Bangkok. And the food culture is different from north to south. I thought Thailand is famous for rice, fish sauce, and spicy food. My knowledge of Thailand was really big. We may eat spicy food everywhere in Thailand, but in my survey, spicy food is especially famous in South area. Because this area is affected from South India. I guess that having thrived transportation hub was one element of southern food culture. And the southern area is also famous for seafood. I'd love to try the Thai seafood along the beautiful coast. On the contrary, northwestern area is mountainous. Here is famous for fermented food, and the taste of food is milder than south area. And Thailand's signature dish, khao soi, is famous in this area. Finally, northeast area. This area is called Isan. Isan is the largest region in Thailand. In Isan region, people eat sticky rice. There are traditional and original foods and seasonings. And somtam is a signature dish of Isan region. The food culture of Thailand is curious and attractive. I'd like to learn about the food culture of Thailand and try to eat more Thai food. Thank you for listening and watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.